Second, guys, I'm happy to announce that we have entered the moment of learning how to design with your phone. You guys, I told you guys that I'm going to teach you every single thing that you need to know in order to start creating your content by yourself without need the help of anybody at all. So in this video now, we have entered the season of learning how to design with your phone, how to design your thumbnail, how to design your banner, how to do whatever you want to do with your phone. Right now, the app that we are going to use is called Pixel Lab. We are going to use Pixel Lab, and we are also going to use what you call um remove bg, because those two app are actually needed. Okay, so those two app are actually needed. You guys know that we are going to use them. So right now I'm hoping that you should head back to your this thing and go and download them. Okay, you guys should go and download them. All right, so now without wasting our time, what we are going to do today right now is to show you around the app, so you will know the features that are available in the app, just like the way I show you in short, as we are teaching video editing. And today, by God grace, we are going to enter it. And if you don't have the app before, you just go to your Play Store. And when you go to your Play Store, I just go to your Play Store. And when you head there, you can type, what is it called? Pixel Pixel Lab. Okay, you can type Pixel Lab. So when you type Pixel Lab, my own is showing open now because I have downloaded it. Your own will be showing install if you have not downloaded it. Okay, so when you also install, make sure you click install, and that thing will be count for you like 1 2 3 to 100. And once you reach 100, it will install. Another one that you need to download is called, or is called remove bg. So remove bg, you can see remove bg, and here is remove background. This one is used to remove your background without stress. Okay, this one is used to remove background without stress. And without wasting our time, I've shown you the app that we are going to use. Let's head back into the video, and now we are going to open the app Pixel Lab, and I am going to show you every single thing that you need to know. Now, the first feature that I'm going to tell you about is called text feature. Text features. You can see the arrow. It is called text feature. So let's say you want to write something on this place now. Let me change the background first before we move forward. Okay. Let's say you want to write something on this place now. You will come to that A. You see that A, and when you come to that A, this is what we show. You will now press text. When you press text, you will now press edit. You see, you press edit. When you press edit, you will be able to type whatever you want to type. Let's say graphics, graphic, graphics design tutorial. So let's say graphic design tutorial. You can see that I have my tools here under the A. In A, immediately you type the A and you input a text, you will see a lot of features that will open. You can see the way I'm scrolling them now. You can see the way I'm scrolling them. So we are going to talk about text features today. So all this one that you are seeing, I'm going to tell you how to use them. Okay, how to do what? How to use them. Forget about the styles that is here. Forget about this one for now. So this one is called this edit. You can use it to edit your text. Maybe you want to change, you write something there, you want to add another thing, or you want to remove something. You can just click the edit and you press Michael by Michael. Yes, let me put it like that. So now let's assume you have this one now, you have know how to do that one. Now let's say you don't want this text at all. You wanted to delete them. You can just click delete. You can just press delete. Look at it. I just press delete and boom, the test is gone. So let me take it back. So let's assuming you want to make this, sorry, let me just go and bring this one back. Let assuming you want to make this text wey dey like 2 to 3. You want to duplicate them, you want to copy them into 3 places. So you will press copy. You press copy here, you press copy here, and when you press copy, you can see we have two graphic design tutorial now. If I press it again, we have 3 graphic design tutorial now. You can see that. You can see that now. So that is how copy is work. Now the next one is called font. The next one is called to front or to back. In order to show you how this thing work, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Wait, to just stick with me. I want to show you how to front and to back work. Now, you see this. Now, you see this yellow rectangle that I bring. You see that this yellow rectangle have covered the text, has covered the graphic design tutorial. You can see now. As only I want to bring this, I want to bring that graphic design tutorial, the text to the front page that you'll be seeing it here. All I have to do is to click on that graphic design tutorial, and I will press to front. You can see to front, and when I press to front, it will bring it up here. Guys, can you see? Guys, can you see now we have our text up here? You can see, let me just bold this so you can be seeing the text very well. Now, you can see we have it right here. You understand? So that is how to bring it back to front. Now, let assume I want to return it back. You want to send something to the back of this place. I will just press, what's it called? I just press to back. All right. To back, we send it to. You can see that we didn't find it here, and meanwhile the text is under here. Now, what's the next thing we are? I'm going to show you. The next thing I'm going to show you is called position. This one is used. The next thing I'm going to show you is called position. Look at it. Sorry. The next one I'm going to show you is called position. It's called position. I'm teaching this thing so you will know what you are coming to do. You will not tell me that you don't know what you can do. See position here. And the work of position now is to help you position your text or whatever you want to do. This one work for both text and objects. So if I press this side now, if I press this side, it will be going right. Do you see? Do you see? It will be going right. So if I press this place, it will be going back to left. Now let me show you. You can see it's going back to left. So also if I press this one, it will go. If I press this one, it will go down. If I press this one, it will go up. So you understand? So that is how it works. You can see that thing is not moving faster. If I want it to move faster, I will just increase this one. I will drag it here. You can see it move faster. You can see it move faster. You can see that. So another thing we are going to talk about is relative position. This one is for it's not for bringing it here and there. It's called relative position. So what this one normally do is it will help you position the, instead of stressing yourself to be typing that thing in 10 times. If you want that thing to, this your text to stay in middle place, you press this one that is here. This one that is here, you press middle. You can see it has dropped in the middle of everything now. Now if you want it to come left, you press this one, and when you press it, it go left, it go right, I mean right down. So if you want it to go left, you have to press this one. So if I press that one, it go right. So if you want it to come down very well, you can see there are things that you just test them. All right, it will come down, it will go up, it will stay down, it will do every single thing. All right. So another one I'm going to show you is called size. Look at it here. Let's see, it's called size. Let assume this is how this thing, and you want to increase. You want to increase it. You just press size. So when you press the size, this is what you do. You can, you know, if you press that one, it will increase. If you press this one, it will decrease. Meanwhile, if you press this one, you go the big more. If you press this one, you go the small one more. Now you can see I'm pressing this one now. It's big, it's big, it's big, it's big. You can see the thing is counting here. The thing, you can see it's counting. So after that one, when you press that one, you do everything you want to do. So another one I want to show you is called padding. You can see the padding here. So when you the padding, the work of the padding is to, you can see, is to help you move the text to anywhere you want it to be. You can see, you can see, you can see the work of the padding. So another one I'm going to tell you is about color. Look at it. I'm teaching you this graphic design for free now. So you won't tell me that, Mike, I don't know how to design. Oh, so when you will be doing your own, you will not need me. So you just have to come back and watch this video and keep doing your graphic design work. Be going. So another one is color. Now this color, you see that we have a blue black color here. Let assume I want to change this to red color. I'll just have to press the color, and when I press the color, I have red, I have white, I have green, I have black, I have white again, I have red. You know, I have many color here that I can change this to. Understand? I have many color here. Now, if I am not satisfied with the color that is here, I will just press this place, this plus button. So when I press the plus button, bam, I have multiple color. You can see I have a lot of color. I can just choose from any one that is here. I can just choose, just pick one that I like. This is how your color will look like when you bring in it. Just be looking at this place. This is your real color that we see in your text if you import it. So let's say I pick this uh purple. I pick the purple. What I will just do is that I will click on OK. OK here. I will press OK. And when I press OK, boom. You see I have purple color. Now under this purple color, under this color, you will see gradient. You see color here. Under color, you see gradient. Gradient is to is to give you a chance to add more than one color to your text, or to your image, or to your whatever you want to do. So to your background. Now let assuming you can see here now I have green, and I have something like red. Here I have blue. You can see the graphic design has become red. The tutorial have become blue. So let's see. You can see that I have yellow, and I also have red. This is how they do two color. That two color that you are seeing in text, that one side will be yellow, one side will be black, one side will be green, one side will be white. This is how they are doing. Maybe you are don't like the color that are here. What you have to do is to come here and press the plus button. And when you press the plus button, you have your this thing like this. So upper here, over here, you will see something like this. You will see this one. You will see this one. You see this one. These things that are here, all of them are useful. Let me show you one after the other. Number one, you see the way you position it. This is how it's going to be. Number two, you see the way you position it. Number three, it's going to be in the middle. You can see it will be, they call it radio, kinikon, kinikon. Number four, number five, number six. You can just test them anyhow. Let me pick that radio and show you how it look like. You can see that this yellow that is the under tutorial that's come back. You can see the red has come back to middle. So it bring them to middle. Now let's assume I want to pick another color. Yeah. What I will just do is I will come here. I come to this plus, to this color, to that place. When I press that place, I have another color entirely. I can choose blue. I can choose blue, and I'll just press OK. So, and in order to change that red also, I'll come here. I'll press this place. So when I press this place, make sure that this thing this thing that is here is past here. So when I press this place, I'll just press the color. I'll just press this one also. I'll just press this one. And when I press that one, I can choose any color I want to choose. I can choose. Let me just choose this one. I'll choose that one, and boom, we have another color entirely. So our this thing have another color entirely. You can see now. I'm just so you will be seeing it. So we have another color entirely. Now that is how you can choose a color. Now let me tell you, you can choose more than 2 to 3 color. If you want to choose more than 3 to 4 color, you can just click on this place. That plus button that is there. Once you click on that plus button, it will give you another option. Now that this one that is in middle now, you can see these two has become three. You can just choose another one. Let me say I want to choose red. Let me say I want to choose that one in the middle. I can just you can see we have 3 color now. You can see we have 3 color now. We have 3 color. That is how this thing is work. So guys, that's how this thing is work. Oh. So I want you to see so that you will know what you are doing. Now another one I want to show you guys is called texture. So the work of texture is maybe you have downloaded a particular color somewhere and you want that color to appear in your text. Maybe you have a colorful picture that you want to, so you just have to click on texture. Once you press texture, you press this place. Once you press that place, once you press that place, it will now take you to your gallery. It will not take you to your gallery. You can see now, it takes me back to your gallery. I just have to press this one. Sorry. I just have to press that one. Once I press that one, it will take me to my gallery. And here, I can choose any picture that I want. Let's say I want to choose this one. This one that is here. Since I want to choose this one, this will be the color of my image. And when I choose it, I just have to do what? I just have to click OK, this place. I just have to press OK. So when I press OK and boom, let me show you something. And boom, here we go. You can see, you can see that the color has appeared. This is how to do it. I'm showing you this thing, so you will not be telling me that Michael did not teach me anything. You don't need to. You have knowing the future now. I'm showing you. Another one is called opacity. The work of opacity is to uh decreasing. You may be seeing some design whereby we will have a transparent background. We will say some people will they at the front and some another person will be at the back, but the one that is in the back is not very that showing. So this is how they do it. It's a work of what? Transparency and opacity. Now this one is called rotate. Maybe you want to change the you want to change the direction of the your text or whatever you put there. You can just as you are dragging it, you can see that the thing is rotating. Maybe you want 3D 90 triangle, kini kan. You can just just do something. Understand? So another one is called max. This max now you may not understand it very well, but while using Pixellab, you will understand this more. This one is called max, and the work of max is to help you. You can see, you see all those pictures, all those things that they are doing. Let me show you. You can see the way I'm moving their hand. The way I'm moving their hand. If I press it now, you can see the tutorial has been cut. It will help you to reshape you know your text. So I'm going to install it. So another one we have here is called AB font. You can see this font. If you want to select fonts, different fonts that you want to use, here it is how to select it. You can just choose from any of this one that you think is perfect for the job that you are doing. Okay, don't just pick anyhow. Pick the one that you know that it is perfect for the job that you are that you are doing. So I picked this one, and you can see it has changed. So another one we have here is called style. This style, you can see the style now. See. So under the style we have B. When you press B, it is called what is it called? It's called bold. It's called bold. So the L is called I forgot what this is called. Is to bend the text, and the another one there is to underline. And if you don't want any of them, you can just press this T, and everything will come back to normal. And another one we have here is called curve. Now you may be seeing curve. They normally use curve for logo. People that are doing logo, they are the one that use curve. So let's say I want to curve this text now. You can see, you can see, you can see that it has curve, and I can just bring it back also. You can see this is, they are normally use it for logo. Okay, it's normally for logo. All right. Another one is called background. You can see another one is background. So the background, you can, when you enable it, you will see there is a background. You see that this text does not have background before. It's only this white background that is here. But now we have another background because I enable that one. Now under it, I can pick any color that I want to be the background, and the same thing I can go to that plus button and I choose anyone. And also the same thing, I can go to gradient and pick, oh sorry, and also the same thing, I can go to gradient and pick any, I can go to gradient and pick anything, any anyone at all that I have that I want it to become my image background. And if I don't want it, I can just off this thing that I own. This thing that I own, I can just off it. And once I off it, boom, background is gone. Another one is called align. You can see align. The work of align is to you can see is to the work of align is to show you where the how the text supposed to look like. So if I bring it back, if I go to left side, left alignment, you will see if I use the middle alignment, this is called left alignment, this is called middle alignment, this is called right alignment, this is called justified. Justified. So if I press this one, it is justified. If I press this one, it will carry the text to the right side. So please pay close attention. Now another one I want to show you, god, this video is going to be long. Another one I want to show you is called spacing. The work of spacing is to, you can see, if you want to increase the space of the letter, and if you want to increase the space of the word, you can just press word. And when you press word, you can see that it is only the word that is decreased. It is only the word that is spacing, not the text. You can see. So when you come back to text, you can see that it is text that is spacing. That is how this thing is work. Another one is called line spacing. This line spacing now, if I, you know want that text to have a distance, when I increase it to 100, it will create a distance. You can just choose any of this one that you want to use in your, in your design. So let me go back to normal, and normal is 0. And another one is called stroke. This one is called how they talk outline. It's called outline, but here they call it stroke. Look at it. Look at it. They call it stroke. And stroke, when you enable stroke, you will see that we have something that is outline the. Let me show you. You can see that we have something that is. You can see. Let me off it. Let me on it. Let me off it. Then on it, keep looking at the areas of the text. You see that if I turn it to red, it will turn to red. If I turn it to black, it will turn to black. Let me increase it. You can see we have, you can see we have, you can see. So you can just go and test all these things and look how they work, okay? And look how they work. That is it. So at the same time, you can choose any what is it called, any color that you like to be your outline color. You can choose anyone. You can just choose, understand, you can just choose anyone to be your outline color. And another one I'm going to tell you is called shadow. You can see it's called shadow. You may be seeing a reflection of a text. Let me show you how it work. Let me show you how it work. Let me show you how it's work. So you all this one too now, you can pick any one. You can see that it like something glow, so it reflects. Now let me show you. You can see shadow. You can see the shadow of our test. You can see the shadow of our test. You can see the shadow of our test. We can determine the how we want it to show very well by increase and decrease opacity, and we can take how we want it to blur by increase and decrease blur radius. Okay, we can decrease and increase blur radius. So the outer glow, you can if you enable this one now, it will become more blue. All right, so you can, where you want that thing to be, where you want that thing to be, you can just, if you can drag it down, you can drag it up, you can do many things. You can just, can just do something. So another one that is called inner shadow. So the inner shadow work is called glow. The inner shadow is will help your text glow. You can see this thing is crazy. You can just go and test how they work. It's crazy. You will see some design crazy. You see that it's changing my this thing. You can see it's changing my this thing. And all this one, you can just pick any color at all that you do what that you want. Okay, you can just pick any color that you want, and it's going to work for you. And another one that we have here is called emboss. This emboss now, it's actually not everybody can use it, because it have how it work. It will make your text strong, like texture. It will make your text strong, like you get how they think they call that thing. I don't forget. It will make your text strong. To make it sharp, strong, like something that they write on the wall. And you can take the intensity here. You can decrease how you want that into strong reach. You can see the way I'm decreasing it. You can see. You can just check all the lights, how you want it to the spectacular hardness. You can just check all this one. The bevel, you can see the bevel. You can see just this thing. You can just try and check them and check how they work. So this is their work actually. Another one we call is called perspective. The work of perspective actually, sorry, let me off the, this is the reason some people are not using it sha. So because it creates wahala. So when I on the perspective now, I on the perspective, I can drag it down. You can see, you may be seeing something like this. You may be seeing something like this. Let me close the inner shadow, or the shadow rather. You may be seeing something like this. I'm very sure if you want to learn graphic design, you may be seeing something like this on internet. This is how they are doing it. There's no other trick. This is how they are doing it. This is how they are doing it. You can just drag it to any place that you want, and when you are certified, you click here. You click here, and then your perspective is created. You can just see. You can just see. So I hope you guys are liking the video already. So I hope you guys are like the video. I hope you guys are comment. I hope you guys are, just help me. Help me. And another one is called 3D. The 3D work, the 3D's work, it can help you flip it up and down. It can help you, any way you want. It's just like what is it called? It's just like the perspective. And another one we have 3D test. This one the is only the what is it called? They are the one using it. You may be seeing something like this. You can see something like this, something like this. Because this is how they are doing it. Oh, this is how they are doing it. You can just check this one too. You can pick any color that you want. You can pick greenish, you can pick any color that you want. You can just pick them to be their outline color. So, and you can change. By this one, you can change. You can change the direction how you want that thing to go. Okay. So if you are certified, you click on OK. Okay, so another one, the second to the last, is called 3D reflection. And when I on this 3D reflection, and I will have this thing here, you can see this thing that is like what is it called? It's like it's like the text stand on something. It's like the text stand on something. You can see I can change that thing also. It turned to red now. It turned to pink. It turned to green. I can increase the opacity. I can reduce the blur. I can expand it. I can expand it. You will be like say the thing stand some on somewhere. Understand? I can do, I can just do anyhow. Understand? I can just do anything that I want. So graphic design is pretty easy when you know how to do it. And another one is called reflection. If I on this thing now, you see, oh my god, graphic design. So you can see, you can see, you may be see the reflection on anywhere you drag it go, it will go with you and it will create a beautiful reflection for you. All right, it will create a beautiful reflection for you. You can see, you can see, to create a beautiful reflection for you. And here we go. So this reflection is normally I prefer using it when I have only single text. When I have only single text. If I have only single text and I create reflection, and boom, there we go. You see that? You see that? So that is all for today. So I have shown you around about text. So I will show you around on my text. So in my next video, we will come to this place. We will show this place and we will show this place. And after that one, we will enter into me design, and God bless you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Bye.